In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Figma file. If you've ever deleted a file by accident, or realized a bit too late that you still needed something, don't worry. Figma has some built-in tools that make it possible to get your work back, as long as it's within the allowed retention period and you have the right permissions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part of the process so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, open Figma in your browser or the desktop app and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your home screen or a workspace view. At the top or side, look for the section labeled Drafts, Recent, or your specific team or project space. Deleted files don't stay here, but this is your starting point to get to the trash area. Next, locate the trash or deleted items section. In many Figma workspaces, this appears as an option labeled Trash or Deleted in the left sidebar. Click on that. This is where Figma stores files that have been deleted, usually for a limited time, before they're permanently removed. Inside Trash, you should see a list or grid of recently deleted files and projects. Scroll through the list and look for the file you want to restore. You can use the search bar at the top to type in the file name, or skim through using the thumbnails to recognize the correct design. Once you've found the file, hover over it or click to select it. You'll see options appear such as Restore or Move to Project. Click on Restore. Figma will then place the file back into its previous location. If it belonged to a specific project or team folder before, it should return there automatically. After restoring, go back to your team project, folder, or the recent section to double check that the file is now accessible. Open it to confirm everything looks correct and that all your pages and components are intact. Keep in mind, you may not be able to restore files that were deleted a long time ago, depending on your plan's retention limits, and only users with sufficient permissions can restore certain team files. If you can't find the file in Trash, consider checking with a team admin,